Hi, I'm Ainsley Mouche, a licensed cosmetologist at Salon 27. Today I'm going to show you how to repair damaged extensions. I'm going to trim her extensions, and some people would like to do it with the extensions outside, but I'm going to do it with the extensions already in. Here's one of her 4 rows. Okay, so now we're going to start the trim. Take my shears and just barely trim the ends. I'm just making sure that the ends are even and all the damage is being trimmed off. Okay. And then I'm going to use a thermal protectant, mostly on the ends and the flat iron, and just run it through. Not too much heat. And I'm Ainsley Mouche from Salon 27, and I showed you how to treat damaged extensions.